Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Two worlds within you. Don't look around with pessimistic lenses, for you can see only the ugliness in the world if you do so. There's always two stories within you, and two worlds within you. Choose optimism, choose gratitude, and focus on your desired outcome. Then see it play back as the essence of reality and the essence of your new reality. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday, right now. I am grateful for a beautiful dinner with my wife. I'm grateful for a package coming in. And I'm grateful for making a new friend. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.